Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Welcome back to Santa's Workshop, my friends. Today, I brought along one of my favorite old Christmas cartoons. It's from way back in 1936, when cartoons were shown in theaters before the big movies. This one is called Christmas Comes But Once a Year, and it's full of holiday cheer. In this story, a group of orphans wake up on Christmas morning to find their toys broken. Oh dear. But don't worry, Professor Grampy, a clever old inventor, comes to the rescue with holiday magic and a lot of creativity. So grab some cocoa, get cozy, and let's enjoy this golden classic together. Here it is. Christmas comes but once a year.
Christmas comes but once a year, now it's here, bringing lots of joy and cheer, tra-la-la-la-la. There is a Santa Claus. Christmas comes but once a year, now it's here, bringing lots of joy and cheer, tra-la-la-la-la. What's the matter in here, I wonder? Looks like a pretty gloomy Christmas for those poor kids. What can I do? Let me think. Huh? Ah! Oh, no. Hooray! I've got it!
Ho ho ho. Wasn't that wonderful? That's what I love about these old cartoons. They remind us that the true magic of Christmas isn't about fancy gifts, but about kindness, imagination, and sharing joy with others. Merry Christmas to all, and remember, Christmas comes but once a year. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.